Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have look at yard management process. We will cover the following points in this video. Master data required for YMS, creation of delivery order for in, creation of in record, automatic creation of repair and process on repair, creation of delivery order for out, creation of out record. To check required master data, we need to log in into Brilbook. Here, I have logged in with YMS user. So we navigate to YMS menu category, expand masters menu group and click on location menu. Now I am going to open the existing record. Here we can view storage capacity of location, container size along with total and balanced use. Now we are going to navigate transporters menu. Now I am going to open the existing record. Here you can maintain details of transporter like name of transporter and code. So we are going to navigate consignee menu. Now we are going to open the existing record. Here you can maintain details of consignee like consignee name, code, place of supply, account, contact and tax group related to consignee. Then we navigate to container menu. Now I am going to open the existing record. Here you can see container record for specific line with universal container code validation. We can also see real-time status of container. Next, navigate to line menu. Now I'm going to open the existing record. Here you can maintain all information related to shipping line. Also you can see in, out and repair details related to line. Now we are going to navigate to repair categories menu. So I am going to open the existing record. Here you can see detail page of repair category. We can store details of repair category for specific line with their different repair types. Now we move to MNR process. So we navigate to delivery orders in entries menu group. Now we create delivery order for container gating by using create button. Now I am going to fill required details for delivery order. As you can see, I have filled details in basic, additional and financial section. Here you can see an option list for accounting which is used for creation of LoLo billing. Now we save delivery order record and move to get in process. For container in, navigate to in menu. Now I am going to create in record. Here I am going to fill required details for in. As you can see here, I have filled required details for in record. Now I am going to save in record. Our in record is successfully created. Now I am going to click on mark final button to final in record. For this in, our repair record is automatically created. So we are going to check created repair record. Here I have opened our created repair record. Here in the repair record we have two values, yes or no. If we select no, then status of repair record updated as available and this container ready for out. Here I am going to select repair required as yes. Now I am going to show you further process for repair. So our next step is create repair line. Now navigate to repair line and click on create button. Now I am going to fill required details for repair line. Here I am going to select repair category and repair type. Now I am going to save this record. Here you can see our repair line record is created. Now we are navigate back to repair record. So we are going to navigate estimate tab. Here I am going to send estimate send date and save the record. So our next step is approve repair line. Now navigate to repair lines, select repair line record and click on approve button. Here you can see our repair line record updated as approved. So now navigate to approval and set approval receive date and click on save button. Now navigate to details tab and status of repair updated as under repair. Now we are navigate to repair details. Here we are going to set send for repair date and contractor and save this record. Once repair is completed, then set repair completed date and then save the record. Now you can see our repair process is completed and status of repair record updated as available. Now our next step is to create out record. For creation of out, we require delivery order with type out. Now we are going to open existing DO record. As you can see here, our delivery order record is created with type out. Now our next step is create out record. So navigate to out and click on create button. Now I'm going to fill required details for out record. I have filled required details for out. Now I'm going to save this record. Here you can see our out record is created. Now I'm going to click on mark final button to final this record. Here you can see status of out record updated as final. So our next step is to generate EDI. Now navigate to line. Here I am going to select EDI date and save the record. You can generate EDI in and out by using these two buttons. Now I am going to show you how to generate EDI for in. So click on EDI in button. Now you can see here the generated EDI for in. In this video, we have seen master data required for YMS, creation of delivery order for in, creation of in record, auto creation of repair and process on repair, delivery order for out, creation of out record, and generate EDI for in. Thank you.